Racing as they battle for the 2016 Pilracom Summer Racing Festival of Touchdown. Break quickly to start. Gentle Strength is running by Daryl Canlaon is racing in third. Bise comes next, driven while Manaliga is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Gentle Strength. He says while we follow, if we can take the lead in the early part of the race. Enjoying a length lead. Top Dance is right behind in second, very close to this Canlaon. Then next on is driven Bise while Manaliga is still in less. Back to the leader, we have Gentle Strength by about half length. Top Dance in second. Moving up on the outside is Canlaon, driven Bise while Manaliga is still running at the tail of the field. And at the fourth turn, we have Gentle Strength by a length and a half. Top Dance, Canlaon, Bise driven while Manaliga is still racing in less. And they are now entering the match awarded part of the race. The home stretch, Gentle Strength. Canlaon is on the outside. Top Dance in between horses. Last 100 meters, we have Gentle Strength by about 2 lengths over Canlaon. And finally, it's Gentle Strength, Canlaon. Then comes Top Dance, Manaliga, Bise and driven.
Okay, bayang karerista, para dito sa ating race number 4, ang ating unofficial winner dito, numero 2, Gentle Strength, with JB Hernandez, segundo numero 6, Canlaon, 1A, Top Dance, at numero 5, Manaliga. At ipong balikan ng replay dito sa ating race number 4.